Hello everybody, Robert Guzman here, and welcome back to this YouTube channel. Happy 4th of July. Hope you guys are enjoying your nice and relaxing holiday season. Hoping to watch the fireworks tonight and everything going off on a beautiful day. Now today's a special treat. 6 brand new VHS openings and closings will be done today. Some will be redos and some will be brand new. And to start things off, we're going to be doing the opening to America Rebuilds, VHS from 2002 by PBS Home Video. Now, this is a 90-minute documentary which talks about the 1 year after the 9/11/2001 tragedy that destroyed the World Trade Center. Here's the tape itself, and this tape has no print date, so let's go and play the tape.
O God, the creator and sustainer of the universe, look with favor upon this new center of trade, of commerce, and of culture. Give guidance, protection, and a right judgment to all who work and live here.
Alright, that's gonna do it for the opening to America Rebuilds, VHS from 2002. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the closing. Have a great day.